Hi, I'm Dan O'Malley from Cisco. We're at the International Wireless Communication Expo 2016. We're in the Cisco booth. I'm here with Sean from Rollts. And as everyone knows and loves the Cisco Instant Connect app, you do a push-to-talk on an Android or an Apple device. And why don't you tell me a little bit about Rollts?
I'll tell you what, thank you, Dan, I appreciate it. And we're honored to be a part of the Cisco team in terms of the development of this new technology. What the Rollts Domino allows us to do is effectively connect via Bluetooth to the Android device and control it from the pocket or remotely within the Bluetooth connectivity. This right here is the push-to-talk, which is going to extend our range from here to Korea, extend our range from here to Switzerland. Without the Instant Connect, we still have a standalone system, all right? So peer-to-peer. It's a 900 megahertz signal, all right, which allows for 50 different groups with unlimited users to talk at one time. And then we have a neat little menu here. We got a menu key and an up and down arrow, which allows us to scroll through the different features of the device, as well as an emergency dispatch button. So this little button right here allows me to effectively alert my team that I need help in a certain location.
All right, so let me try to unpack that a little bit here. So it's nice, you got an up and down button here, you got a menu, and then the E button. I think when people hear the word emergency, at least in critical communications,
right,
they're used to like P25 emergency calls, but
okay,
your emergency is just a tone?
Just a tone that's going to speak to the people that are on my team.
Okay, so they know that when he pushes that button, that's a certain tone. It's I need to listen because it's
right,
it's different from a normal call. So that's pretty nice. And
it's also used as a call button. Let's say one of my team members didn't have their earpiece in. Okay, and I need to alert them, and this right here will give me an audible alert out loud, so then I know to get back on the team.
Very nice. People definitely need to be alerted. So you talked before about Bluetooth. So the Instant Connect mobile app, as long as it's on a data connection, you're online, you push your button, it's Bluetooth. So you can put this in your pocket or in your purse and just wear this, and then just do a push to talk from the device right.
Correct.
I see you're wearing a different device here.
So
this is the S1 with a speaker, an external speaker. What's this one called?
Dan, this is the E1. This actually gave our device its name, the Domino E1. So this guy right here is actually earbud only. That's why we call it the E1. It does not have a speaker. Okay. However, it is very tiny, as you can see. Fits in the palm of my hand there. All right. They like this in the retail application. It's very unintrusive. Medical fields, large retailers, hospitality, hotels, and the list goes on.
So these two can communicate together because
exactly,
they're both on the 900 meg. This one actually has a Bluetooth, so only this one communicates with the Instant Connect.
Correct. This one currently does not. The Bluetooth technology is not here.
And people ask us, how do I get these radio conversations into my Instant Connect talk groups or to my two-way radios? So what we have here in a Cisco, what's called an ear and mouth card. It takes two wires for speaker audio, two wires for transmit or microphone audio. We turn it into voice over IP. So in this case, we can actually plug in a little 2.5 millimeter jack with an RJ45 cable into that card in the Cisco router, and that's how you get talking around the world.
Exactly.
But you've also made a nice little transceiver here and a little packageable donor radio, so you don't have to put one of these in there. This can plug into AC, and it has a cable that goes directly into that card.
Exactly.
It's a nice, either use this as a donor radio, or if you're trying to interoperate with other donor radios, we can do that, or this one as well. And then let's go look at your charging stations.
Right.
So,
with all these little dominoes.
All these cool devices here.
So these are two different form factors charging stations. This is a standalone unit which charges 4 units of the Domino. These are interchangeable, so we have 2 larger docking bays here. 12 units of the Domino S1 can be charged effectively here, along with some storage for accessories. And moving over here, we have a 24 bay unit which houses our Domino E1 unit, also with storage, and travels very nicely.
is very convenient for a trade show, that's for sure. Any other words you want to say here, Sean?
No, but other than thank you, Cisco.
Thank you for watching.